In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the main language in Wix, something that's both simple and crucial if you want to customize your site for different audiences. Let's dive right in and make sure your site speaks the language of your choice with confidence and clarity. To start, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Wix website. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already done so. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself in your Wix dashboard, the central hub for managing all your site-related activities. From here, locate the Settings option on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open a new menu, giving you access to a variety of options for customizing your site. Now, in the Settings menu, there's a search bar available. This is really handy if you're looking for something specific, as it helps you cut through all the options. Go ahead and type in Language. This will quickly filter your options and guide you straight to the section that deals with language preferences. Once you've done that, you should see an option labeled Language and Region. Click on this to proceed. This section is vital as it allows you to configure not just the language, but also other regional settings for your site. As you land on the Language and Region page, take a moment to find an area labeled Account Language. This is your current site's language setting. Ready to make your change? Click on the account language. You're now presented with a drop-down menu showing a list of available languages. Take your time to scroll through and ensure you're selecting the correct language you wish to change to. Whether it's for reaching a new audience or aligning with personal preferences, making the right choice here will have a significant impact on your site's communication and user experience. Once you've picked your language of choice, click on it to select. Double-check your selection to ensure it's the right one. Language is critical to effective communication on your website and affects every user-facing aspect. With your preferred language now chosen, there's just one final step to cement your changes. Head over to the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save will apply the language change to your account. It's important to remember that these changes might take a few moments to reflect across your site, so don't worry if you don't see them immediately. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the main language of your Wix site. Navigating through language settings can seem daunting initially, but with these straightforward steps, you're well equipped to make your site as accessible and user-friendly as possible. Thank you for tuning in today. Like, subscribe, or comment below with any questions or experiences related to managing your Wix site. See you next time.